Blowing a kiss can be a cute or flirty way to show affection. To do it properly, wait until you're a short distance away from the other person. Then, turn and lock eyes with them so they know the kiss is for them. Once you have their attention, pucker up and raise the palm of your hand to your lips. Kiss your hand, then turn your palm so it's flat and facing straight up, with your fingertips aiming towards the target of your kiss. Lightly blow across your palm to send the kiss their way. Depending on how flirty you want the kiss to be, you can follow it up with a smile and a wink, or even blow the kiss over your shoulder as you're walking away. Before you blow a kiss, always think about whether the other person is likely to appreciate it. For instance, it's probably okay with a close friend or someone you're dating, but you might not want to blow a kiss to a stranger or a coworker.